Stumpwork is an exciting way to add three-dimensional elements to your projects. In our three-part Introduction to Stumpwork Embroidery course, Kelley Aldridge takes the mystery out of how to do stumpwork with her easy step-by-step approach. You'll learn how to start with wire shapes, like a flower petal, introducing us to the hands-free wireless frame, a very useful tool to have according to Kelley. How to fill the inside of the wire shapes. Kelley suggests painting or adding voile or organdy. And finally, attaching a 3D petal to your work. After watching this series, you should feel confident enough to work on any other stumpwork designs and kits you come across. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our videos for as little as £5 a month. You can also purchase a series or individual workshops to create your own personal library with on-demand access. Happy sewing!